Melody. Melody. Come on, Melody. Come on, Melody. Melody. Is Denny stealing the spotlight? How about Angus? How about Angus? Yes, Angus likes it too. Angus likes it. Angus does. Yes. Yes. Melody, Melody. Melody. Melody, Melody. There's no feathers left on it. You guys have defeathered it. You guys ripped out all the feathers today. There's no feathers left. There's no feathers left. No, there isn't. No, there isn't. No, no. He stole it. She stole it. Angus. Angusy. He's pretty bold. I know, you guys ripped all the feathers out. You guys ripped all the feathers out. I have to get a new one. I'm going to have to get a new one. Yes, I think I'm going to have to get a new one. I think I do. Oh, it's a crazy Denny. Crazy Denny. Crazy, crazy Denny. No. Crazy Denny. Crazy. 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 How about Miss Melody? Miss Melody. Come on, Miss Melody. Miss Melody. Miss Melody. Let go, Maego. There's Melody. Let go. Miss Melody. You let go? Did you let go? No? Are you happy? You guys happy?